how to know if your cash card arrived. So I'm going to show you two ways. So the first way, if you click right here on the cash card button, it will tell us the delivery status of the cash card. So if it says delivered, then that means that they've mailed it out to you and it's on its way. So another way of how you can know if it's actually delivered is by clicking on your profile icon right here in the top right corner, then go into support. So here search for cash card delivered, something along those lines, and select this first article. And it will tell us that we can go to the cash card tab, but we were just there. So just click on chat and ask them what the status of your cash card is, whether it's delivered, whether it's been mailed out, so on and so forth. So just explain your issue right here to the Cash App support and they will get back to you as soon as possible. Or you can try calling them on their phone number, but I suggest doing it through chat. You can find their phone number on the web. So hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.